Okay, we're here at Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet. We're going to give you a tour of our 2008 Super Bay by Quailridge. It's a 400 square foot park model. Kind of a nice day. Very pretty trailer. Trapezoid windows. Them little round circles show where the outside lights go. There's 4 outside lights on this. It's got a 6-foot patio door. All thermopane windows. Triple axle underneath. Step down into the bedroom with the loft above. Great big windows in it. 20-gallon electric water heater. It's in that compartment right there. Outside faucet, wired for central air. Here's the 20-foot bay window. Makes the living room a full 12-foot wide. We're going to take a trip in there. Oh, here comes the customer. Detachable tongue, stores underneath for ease of storage. Of course, the patio door comes with the screen door. I get all kinds of goofy questions. This is a 2008 model. Got a nice vertical blind at the patio door. Tan interior. I believe they call this granite interior. It's got a rocker or recliner. I'll go ahead and recline it. I guess you gotta sit in it. Okay. Now I've got the recliner reclined. What can I get out of it? Yes. Okay. There we go. Mastercraft furniture. Nice end table and lamp. Everything you see in here stays in the trailer. They come completely furnished. All fixtures. Got the upgraded dinette. Octagon table, hexagon with matching furniture. Dining room hut. We're even going to let the little decorations go. Time for us to come up with some new ones. L kitchen. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Everything's electronic. Ceiling fan. Dormer. Lots of light in here. Actually turned some of it off by closing this. It's wired for stereo. Nice entertainment center. Unlike Breckenridge, they always want you to set your TV on the floor. Well, Forest River, there's about 12 reasons why Forest River builds the best park model. And that's one of them. Another one of the reasons is the 56,000 BTU furnace. Who wants one of them little under-the-counter furnaces when you could have a real furnace? Pantry. Bathroom. I don't know how good you can see. Not too bad. Vanity. But I didn't have it plugged in. Shower and tub. Shower curtain. Of course, you got a porcelain toilet. And the linen closet next to the shower. Okay. Propane detector. Here's the nice part of this trailer. Check out the master bedroom. It's got a his and hers wardrobe. Sometimes we jokingly refer to it as a hers and hers wardrobe. You always have lights inside of the cabinets. Look at this one, it's got a bonus. I told them to wire it for stereo, and they included a stereo. Amazing. I refused to pay $250 for a glorified DVD player. That's what it cost as an option. There's the circuit breaker box. Like I say, it's always behind. Everything clearly marked. Oop, knocked my flour over. Come buy this flour for $42.9. Just kidding. Ash cabinet treated. Beautiful deep drawers. End table and lamp. All this stuff standard. Nice curtains. Bedspread, pillows. We're not going to go out the rear entry door. We are going to visit the loft. Want you to see the loft. Spot for a TV. Kids got their own closet. This is the shorter loft. And we'll go pan the front of the trailer. What the heck? Kitchen. Dining. Sofa. I can sit up here in the smaller loft. It's got pin-up lights. Good place for sleep. You could probably sleep 3 sleeping bags here, 4 back there. Who knows? Maybe. I've seen like 17 people staying in these before. We sell a lot of the double lofts. Okay. Well, that's about it for now. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Kelly Hicks Construction, 2008 Quailridge Super Bay. We got lots of park models here all the time. Come on down and see them. I think I'll do another tour. Maybe that cabin. Cedar cabin. Well, come on over and see us. 815-849-9089. Kelly Hicks Construction. Buy one of these. I'll bring it to you with that dump truck, that red truck, that silver truck. I can even bring my tractor if we need to.